Keung To appeared in Taiwan to promote My Heavenly City. The film My Heavenly City held its premiere in Taiwan. Keung To flew to Taipei to promote it. In the new movie My Heavenly City, he is a dream-seeking boy who goes to New York to study. He specially learned the popping dance steps beforehand and showed off his dancing skills in the film. He said, "I am not a good dancer. Among the members of Mirror, some are better than me." When asked about interesting things while filming in New York, he said with a smile, "It's difficult for me to go shopping in Hong Kong, but in New York I don't need to cross-dress, I can just put on slippers to go shopping." Keung To revealed at the premiere that he has admired Sho Lo since he was a child. "I grew up listening to Sho Lo's songs. I can sing every song and dance every dance." In addition, Taiwanese variety shows are also his favorite. He learned Taiwanese because of these, and joked that most of what he learned was foul language and it was not good to say it by now.